the same, but that the given visa on arrival form as well, this looks very similar. So again, this is Royal Consulate General of Chennai, and you have to just select a tourist visa, tick here, and your Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another new video. So as you saw on the thumbnail and as you saw on the description of the title, I want to share with you how to apply Thailand sticker visa before going to Thailand. So there is two options if you want to go to Thailand. That is, one is traditional visa on arrival. So you just go without taking any visa, you go to Thailand, and in the immigration counter or before the immigration counter, you have a visa on arrival counter where you can go and get the visa on arrival. But like I've explained in my video, this is a bit I wouldn't say a scam, but I would say it comes with a cost. So there is a separate queue, like I've mentioned in this video, that is a 2000 baht queue and a 2200 baht queue, where that is being scrapped right now. There is only 2200 baht queue. You can't wait and go into the 2000 baht queue. The visa on arrival cost for Thailand is, as you know, is 2000 baht. They charge you 200 extra without any reason, without telling you any reason. And visa on arrival, a lot of people are getting, I would say, I wouldn't use the word scam, but are getting into trouble in terms of speaking to the people in the visa on arrival counter on trying to explain to them why we have to pay 200 baht. And if you try to ask them or question them why you have to pay 200 baht extra, then they're going to ask you to show your hotel reservation. They're going to find a loophole, and they're trying to catch you wherever you can and try to deport you back, or trying to reject your visa on arrival counter in the visa on arrival counter. So to avoid all these things, Thailand has also there's a different way of getting Thailand visa, that is a sticker visa, that is before going to Thailand. So if you apply through VFS Global, which I'll be sharing my screen and showing you guys on how to apply for a Thailand visa. So the fees is less. How much the fees, what would be the fees of sticker visa? I'll link it in the description below, and I'll show in my screen in a minute. I'll be sharing my screen and showing you guys how to apply for this Thailand sticker visa. So in my opinion, if you have time, that is if you have around 1 or 2 months lead time and you know you're going to Thailand, if you're not in a hurry, so then you can go and apply this sticker visa. It's very safe, and once you enter Thailand, there's not going to be any scam. That much I can assure you. There's going to be a separate counter for sticker visa. You just have to go into that counter, show your sticker visa, then you're good. You go to the immigration, then you go out into the city. So this a little bit trouble can be avoided if you have time before going to Thailand and you want to take the sticker visa. So without wasting any time, I'll share my screen and show you guys how to apply for a Thailand sticker visa before going to Thailand. Hey guys, I hope you can see my screen. So once you go to Chrome, just type Thailand visa VFS, and then there are a lot of fake links like I've explained in my other videos. So ensure you click this official link, https visa.vfsglobal.com. So once you click on this link, you will get the standard options, that is apply for visa, book an appointment, find a center, and premium services. So I'll come back to this later in the end of my video, but let's go to apply visa now, start now. And let's identify the visa type first. So this video is targeted mainly for tourist visa. So let's select the visa type. And then I stay in Bangalore. So for me, the closest would be, I would need to apply for the Royal Thai Consulate, Chennai General. So I'll just click on this. So when you click on this, there is a lot of visa types. You can see non-immigrant, working with special category, mass media, education, research. Married with Thai citizen is also included. So I am targeting for tourist visa only. So let's select tourist visa, and let's look at the visa fees and logistic fees. So this is very important, guys. So you can see a tourist visa single entry is 2,500 rupees. So which is roughly around 1,100 baht. But if you take a visa on arrival, it is almost close to 2,200 baht, including the 200 baht, which is charged extra for tourists. So this validity is for 3 months. Usually when you go to visa on arrival, it is usually 15 days, but now they've increased to 1 month. So you cannot exceed more than 60 days at a time. So once you go into Thailand, you can stay for a maximum of 60 days, even though the visa is valid. So if you exit and again come back to Thailand, you can stay for a maximum of 90 days. And with the second entry, you should ensure that you are not exceeding more than 90 days. So if you want a multiple entry visa for 6 months, again you have to pay 12,000 rupees. Again, the rules are same, permitted to stay for a period not exceeding 60 days in each entry. So once you enter, you can stay for a maximum of 60 days. So if you enter more than 60 days, it is illegal, guys. So be very careful. So this is something that we do not concentrate much on. I'll just come back to this later. So this visa fees is 2,500 rupees. So the documents required, the most important thing. So let's click on tourist visa single entry. So I just zoomed this out. So checklist for documents required for tourist visa application single entry: passport or travel document with lot less than 6 months. This is very standard. One visa application form likely to fill with applicant. I'll just try to show this as well. And 2 color photographs of the applicant with a specification 3.5 to 4.5 centimeters. So they're very, very particular about the size of the photo. So you cannot take any random photo size and then just go to consulate assuming that they would accept it. They might accept in visa on arrival, but they will not accept in VFS Global. I am approved for that. So not older than 3 months with a white background. This is very standard if you go to any studio, and if you ask them for Thailand visa, they will come to know. And non-refundable fees of 2,500 for single entry. Like I said, visa on arrival is somewhere around 4,600 rupees, but this is very, very cheap. It's 2,500 rupees for Indians. Evidence of resident in India, non-Indian passport holder. We do not, if you're non-resident or a non-Indian passport holder, you have to submit this, a photocopy of confirmed return ticket from the airline. So you should have 2 and 4 tickets, both, at least a confirmed ticket, at least a block ticket would do. Itinerary during the stay of Thailand, you just have to prepare a covering letter. So if you want help in preparing covering letter, of course it is chargeable, because I'm spending some time for you and giving this to you. So ping me on Instagram, DM me on Instagram, and before you DM me on Instagram, please follow me and then DM. Otherwise, I'm not getting notified. I have raised a case with Instagram. I've not got any response. But again, following is just free of cost, guys. So you can just follow me and then ping me so that I get notified. So proof of hotel accommodation reservation in Thailand, hotel for all the days is mandatorily required. If you go on a visa on arrival, don't compare this to visa on arrival, because visa on arrival is a different procedure. This is a different procedure. So you need hotel reservation for all the days. And if you intend to stay with relative or friends, you can submit their ID. Their address as well. I'm going very fast because I don't want this video to be lengthy. If you have any questions, you can ping me on Instagram. So okay, for individual tourist application, blank statement of 6 months with consistent balance of 700 per person, or USD 1,400 per family. So $700 is somewhere around 50,000, I think, in the current exchange rate. Is it? Yeah. So must be attested by the bank. So if you just go to the bank, they will take the printouts and they will put a seal and sign and give it to you. Don't carry the printout to the bank. They will not sign and seal. You have to take the printout in the bank itself. In case of current bank balances less than 700 covering later. Yeah. For example, if you're a student and you don't have a balance of 700 USD, you can always get signed from a family member who would like to sponsor your trip. This is very, very important because a lot of students visit Thailand as well. For incentive group, it is not for us. So tourist visa or medical treatment, same requirements as a 0.13 medical report from the hospital is requesting treatment in Thailand, acceptance. So if you have anything on a medical visit, you can just submit this, or if you want to go for any surgery or any treatment in Thailand, you can might as well submit this 4th section. So additional information, the below documents are supplementary while 1 to 3 are mandatory. Evidence of below document supplementary, okay, such as returns, pay slips, employee. So if you're an employee, then you have to submit your employee ID, student ID. If you're into business, you have to submit your business license on whatever business you're doing. And applicants below 18 years of age have to produce a letter from their parents along with their birth certificate, assuming they are your parents. So all documents must be in English unless specified, arranged in given an order above. Validity of visa, notice period of time, period of stay, can travel in Thailand. So you just confirm, sign this, and give this applicant's name along with the passport number when you are visiting the consulate. So let's come back. I don't want to make this video too lengthy. So documents required and photo specification is done. Now let's go to the processing time. The processing time is somewhere they've mentioned 3 to 5 working days, but trust me, if you're applying from a non-consulate time, like for example, if you're not applying from Delhi, Chennai, Kolkata or Mumbai, it will take more. It will take somewhere around 5 to 10 days. So please keep that in mind. And the set timings are from 9 to 3. I'll just come to this. So when you apply for the visa, just book an appointment. Yeah, you can use this particular tab to book an appointment and attend a center. You can select, if like for example I am staying in Bangalore, so I would select Bangalore. So when I select Bangalore, this visa application center has additional fee of requirement, service fee of 250 rupees. Yeah, because you're applying from a non-consulate city, that you're not applying from Chennai, Mumbai, Kolkata, or Chennai, Mumbai, Kolkata or Delhi. So this is the place in Bangalore. This is very close. If you're staying in South Bangalore, I stay in South Bangalore, and this place is very, very closer to me. And you can just click on book now. It would take to a website and you can register there, register to this particular website. Here you register with your email ID and password, and then activate your application portal, and then apply for apply for a reservation. Like for example, if you want to book a slot on Monday, you can just select Monday, and the timings are between 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. Now if I select Chennai, I want to show you guys about the application form. So if I select tourist visa, then select download forms, and then this is the application form. So let's go to this one by one. And you would have seen this is a very similar application form, not the same, but that the given visa on arrival form as well. This looks very similar. So again, this is Royal Consulate General of Chennai, and you have to just select a tourist visa, tick here, and your first name, middle name, family name. Please fill it as per your passport only. So countries, whichever your which travel document is valid. So just put your Indian passport number, Indian address, then martial status, type of travel document is passport, then date of issue, expiry. This is all very straightforward. I don't have to be very specific in this. Date of arrival in Thailand is the day you come to Thailand. Your flight number, as you would have already booked your tickets, and traveled by is your name, duration of proposed stay. Like if you're planning to stay for 30 days, 50 days or 60 days, you can put it. Again, the purpose visit would be tourism, so you should not go on tourism and do any business or any kind of other activity in Thailand. That is not permitted, and this is for official use. So you just carry this document, and then the other document which I showed. This document along with this document should be filled out, carried, and the fee, they will usually take it online. You can pay through Google Pay, Phone Pay, or any credit card or debit card which is accepted. It will go to the VFS site, and once you pay only, you can book the slot of the appointment, just like passport. So you just book this, go to VFS Global, and before going, of course, you need a covering letter to prepare your itinerary. If you want a covering letter, if you're serious about applying visa, then do ping me on Instagram. I'll be happy to prepare a covering letter for you, and it will be chargeable because I'm spending some time for you to do this activity. And again, if you have any questions, you're feel free to ping me on Instagram. I'll respond as soon as possible. The only request from my end is to follow me and then ping me on Instagram. If you do not do this, I will not get notified. Like I said, I've already raised a case with Instagram, so please do keep that in mind and do ping me on Instagram. A lot of people have already pinged for my Japan visa, South Korea visa, or Thailand visa on arrival. I've helped them with most of them with my covering letters and what is needed for these kind of visas on itinerary, hotels, blocking tickets, where you can use a dummy website to block hotels and flight tickets, etc. So if you're, like I said, if you're serious about applying this visa, do ping me on Instagram. I'll respond as soon as possible. So I'll just finish this. I hope this video was helpful. Hey guys, so I hope you saw my process and steps how to apply for a Thailand sticker visa. So if you have any questions, do ping me on Instagram for immediate response, or comment in the comment section. I'll try to reply to you as soon as possible. Again, when you're pinging me on Instagram, please do follow me and then ping me. I don't know if it is a bug or not. I'm not getting notified at all on Instagram. So click on that follow button on Instagram and then try to ping me. I'm getting notified. So a lot of people have pinged me today. They have again commented on the YouTube comment section saying I've not been notified. I'm not replying to their messages. It's not that I'm not replying to your messages. I do reply to everyone's messages. It's just that you have to hit on the follow button and then ping me on Instagram. So if you have any questions regarding Thailand sticker visa, how to apply, or which is better, visa on arrival or sticker visa, any questions, do feel free to reach out to me on Instagram. I'll try to respond to you as soon as possible. So I hope this video was helpful. Please do subscribe to my channel. I'll catch you guys in my next video.